The Graphic Design Masterclass, Intermediate Level. Are you ready to level up your design skills? So who should take this class? Those with very basic skills in Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator, and you may already be familiar with some of the pen tool basics, understand the layering system, and know a few other basic tools. And you have a little experience using these programs, or have a solid basic working knowledge of these programs. Or you've taken my Graphic Design Masterclass, Learn Great Design, the first in the Masterclass series. Although taking this class is not a requirement to join this one, just needing those basic software skills is all you need, but this class is a natural next intermediate step. This is a practical design course meant to teach you techniques and skills by producing real-world projects. We will first talk about intermediate techniques when it comes to Adobe Photoshop, like diving deep with removing complex objects from photos and using the content-aware tools. We'll then talk about photo compositions and composites and put two totally different photos together using curves and other intermediate Photoshop tools to make them look like they belong together. We will brush up on the brush tool in Adobe Photoshop to learn how to paint on realistic shadows that can be applied to a variety of situations. We will quickly get into real-world projects by tackling a fast food burger ad that is both dynamic and helps us practice working with typography, headlines, and effects in Adobe Photoshop. This course includes a fairly large logo design section. We talk about the power of sketching our ideas on paper or in a digital sketching app. This course even includes an extensive downloadable logo design worksheet. And we'll talk more about client presentation, when to present to clients, color, and even exporting files. The golden ratio is a great intermediate logo design concept to master, and we'll do just that in this course. And speaking of grids, we'll not stop there. We'll talk about the isometric grid system and work through an entire project using isometric grids to create this realistic 3D illustration. And brand new to this course is an intermediate InDesign section. We'll walk through the creation of a magazine spread and cover and talk more in depth about creating strong editorial designs, headlines, and crafting compelling stories using photography. Infographics is a tough topic for designers, and it can have a steep learning curve. I thought it would be great to make this the perfect project to work through together in this extensive section. Knowing how to craft effective ads and advertisement is a great quality to have. It can help you have more success as a designer. We'll talk about how to create effective advertising as we work through an entire social media campaign. There are tons of extra project sections, including one on creating a poster using just typography. Package design is another great intermediate topic, and we'll go in depth about the package design process, including how to work with files, set them up, create a rich-looking package design for a chocolate bar. Graphic design is more than just creating projects, it's also about finding work and clients. I've included an entire portfolio building section where we walk through how to create stunning portfolio presentations and how to build them online and offline. I hope you decide to join me for this incredible journey through lots of fantastic intermediate design topics, projects, and more. Are you ready for the next level?